Hey guys, Tommy Bryson here, and for this video right here, we're going to talk about exactly how much money does the average YouTuber make for every 1,000 views they get on their channel. By the way, the short answer is basically, it depends based on the channel they actually have, but to be honest with you guys, I had vlogs channels, gaming channels, news channels, drama channels, a whole bunch of different channels, and even right now, I have a finance channel that makes me around $10,000 per month, and this is the channel you're watching right now. And now, that's why in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much money the average YouTuber makes for 1,000 views, especially by category. And on top of that, I'm going to give you 5 different ways that YouTubers actually make money, because it's just not AdSense and views equals money. No, it gets a lot more complicated than that. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 different ways YouTubers actually make money. Now, the first thing is this, guys. Comment down below and let me know how many views you think a person needs to actually get $1,000 in 1 month by doing YouTube, okay? Comment down below, let me know. And as a little hint here, guys, okay, my channel, when it had 10,000 subscribers, I was making a little bit over $3,000 every single month. And that's why the entire thing here gets a little bit mixed up. People say like, oh, no subscribers, no money. The answer is no. It gets a lot more complicated, and that's why I made a video yesterday talking about exactly how much money I make right now by having 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now guys, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notified, and on top of that, gently, actually no, destroy, as hard as possible, destroy the like button. And on top of that, click the bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And now guys, the first thing is this, before I tell you exactly how much 1,000 views actually makes the average YouTuber, well, the first thing I do have to break down is exactly the 5 different ways a YouTuber can make money, and here's why, okay? It's the difference between why a channel with 1,000 subscribers can make the same amount of money with a channel with 10,000 and even sometimes 100,000 subscribers, because again, the views are important, but it all depends the category of money you're making from those 1,000 views. So for example, guys, okay, say I got 1,000 views, but I was selling a product, and every time I posted a video, I got at least 5% of the people that watch my channel to actually buy that product. So for example, that's around 1,000, that's around 50 people, 5% of that is 50 people. 50 people actually go out there and actually buy that product from you. You might say, Tommy, okay, that's great, but if you have 1 million subscribers, you get a lot more money. The answer is no, and here's why. Because if I get 1,000 people to watch my video and 50 of them buy my product that costs $1,000, well, right then and there, I just made $50,000, right? So that's the entire concept here. And that's how a channel that's very small can still make a lot of money, but it doesn't matter how many views they make. It just depends on what they're actually doing to make the bulk of their money. So now, the first way out of the 5 that YouTubers actually make money is number 1, by doing Google AdSense. Now, Tommy, what is Google AdSense? The answer is actually, you know, the most basic one here, and it's the money that YouTube/Google pays you for putting ads on your videos. So right now, I'll probably put an ad right here, and this ad that I put in right here, well, basically, if it showed up, basically this ad right here will give me some revenue and also pay YouTube some revenue. So that's what Google AdSense is right then and there. Now, the second way is actually by doing affiliate marketing. Now, if you guys know, I have a few links down below. When you actually sign up for Acorn, for example, you get a free book with Audible. Well, every time you sign up for that stuff, I also get some cash, but I only recommend those products because, again, I do believe in them, and plus, most of them are basically free, and that's why I recommend them. But the main thing is this, guys, whenever a YouTuber says, for example, like, hey, go use my link and get this product over here and you will get 20% off, 50% off. Well, they make money by doing that also. By the way, it's usually not that much money at all. Maybe like 5%, 2%, it just depends, okay? Now, the third way they can make a lot of money is by selling merchandise. By the way, guys, this shirt right here is my merch, and you can buy it, link down below, but well, actually discontinue this one, new merch coming soon. But the main thing is this, guys, a lot of YouTubers out there, for example, Logan Paul, Mr. Beast, a lot of these big guys out here, well, they have like the entire own clothing brand, and whenever you guys go out there and buy their merch, that's where the bulk of their money actually comes into fruition. Now, number 4, guys, is by doing sponsorships. By the way, I reject around 99% of sponsorships I get, and here's why. Because most of them are very scammy, and they just want to basically want me to sell out my audience for some quick cash, and I always say, basically, nah, I'm not interested, okay? Because at the end of the day, guys, the only thing that matters here is reputation, and if you guys get scammed, then I got scammed because in a sense, you guys are like my homies in a sense, okay? Now, the fifth way people on YouTube make money is by doing Patreon. Patreon is basically you sign up and you might get some exclusive content, or the YouTuber might go out there and mention you in the video. But tell me, why are all these 5 ways so important? Well, the answer is this, guys. Again, if a YouTuber is making videos and only using Google AdSense, then the person with the most views gets the most money. So if I have 100,000 subscribers, usually I got more views than you, boom, I'm making more money. However, if you're getting 1,000 views and you also have all these factors here of actually making money, well, your 1,000 views might be able to make a lot more money than a channel that only has around 100K or even 1,000,000 subscribers. And that's why it's so important to actually use different ways to make money. And that's why I mentioned all of these right here. But now let's talk about CPM and Google AdSense. So this is what you guys are probably wondering here, which basically tell me, okay, I get that, but how much money do they get paid per every 1,000 views? And the answer is, guys, number 2 here, CPM, by the way, stands for cost per mile. Basically is a code word for saying like, oh, how much money do you earn per every 1,000 views on YouTube? Okay, now, the first thing is this, guys. The truth is, it depends on the category of your channel. So for example, finance channels by tier, guys, by tier. Finance channels are at the top of la creme. Of the la creme? I don't know any French like phrases, I'm sorry about that. But at the top of the pinnacle of the entire pyramid, finance channels are right there. They make the most money, which I will explain later on in the video. And then you have, for example, like more challenges videos, for example, like vlogs, challenges, all that fancy stuff. And then you also have, like, for example, gaming and like personal videos like PewDiePie and stuff like that. And those channels don't make the most money, but they do get the most amount of views. And on top of that, they do make the most revenue from merchandise. For example, guys, okay, finance channels all the way at the top usually might make between $15 per 1,000 views all the way up to even $50 per 1,000 views, okay, which is a lot of money. And then at the second tier, you also have the challenges channels that actually might make between $5, $2, up to $7 to $12 per video, per 1,000 views, okay? And that's what happens right there. And then at the lower tier, these people right here, gaming channels and stuff like that, they might get between $2 per 1,000 views all the way up to $7, and that is how it works. But tell me, this right here does not seem fair. Why is it set up like this? Well, number 3 is the system works like this because it's effective. And here's why, okay, guys? Well, the entire construction of YouTube, how YouTube works basically, is all around, well, you have a business that wants to sell a product, they advertise on YouTube, and then they show the ad on YouTube videos, and then boom, someone buys it, the business makes money, your YouTubers make money, and then also YouTube makes money. And then the audience also gets something they enjoy, free content, and some of them might get a product they actually enjoy also. So everyone wins. But then tell me, why is 1,000 views dependable on the category of channel and not just dependable on the views and just basically who's putting out the best content out there? Well, the answer is, guys, because for example, okay, if I am a gaming company, and the average product that I sell might cost between $10 to $60. Well, I'm only really willing to actually spend around maybe $2 to $5 per every 1,000 people that actually watch my ad, okay? Because I know for a fact I'll make some money, yes, but it won't be a big margin, okay? So that's how that works, okay? So that's why gaming channels don't really make a lot of money. However, people are interested in them and they do get a ton of views. And that's why they usually do views, for example, Google AdSense, and on top of that, affiliate marketing and also merchandise, and that's how they make the bulk of their money. However, when it comes to, for example, a finance channel, well, this finance channel right here is very spectacular, and here's why. Well, I don't know why I use that word right there, but it's very awesome, and here's why. Basically, when you have a finance channel, the people that watch that channel usually have something called money. So the business that's actually trying to sell a product to those people right there are willing to pay a lot more money to put ads in that video right there to get some products to actually sell. For example, guys, a finance product might cost anywhere between $10 all the way up to $20,000 just like that. And that's why finance channels make a lot of money. And by the way, it does take usually like a lot of work to make these videos. You can't just like hop on and say like, oh, here's this, here's that. But we also make a ton of money just because of this factor right here. And that's why some channels make a lot of money here, but some channels make a lot of money here. But in the end, it all averages out because although we make a lot of money through AdSense, Google, and YouTube, we don't make as much money through merchandise and also affiliate marketing, but like PewDiePie or for example, Logan Paul or Mr. Beast, these people right here make a ton of money by merchandise, affiliate marketing, and also selling like their own sponsorships, well, getting sponsorships and a whole bunch of different things. For example, guys, in my last video, I spoke about how much I get paid per video. On an average, it might be between $20 to $40, but watch that video to get all the details. But for example, Mr. Beast might make one video, and that video, because he got a sponsor with Honey, might make him $20,000, $30,000, even $50,000, because again, they do have a large viewership. Plus, they also get merchandise sales. For example, all Mr. Beast t-shirts, all that fancy stuff. That's how the entire system works. So in conclusion, guys, the average YouTuber might make between $2 to $7 per 1,000 views, but then if you are a finance channel, you might be between $20 to $40 to sometimes even $50 every single time you get over 1,000 views. And that's how the entire YouTube system comes when it comes to making money every single time per 1,000 views. However, guys, before I go here, I do want to caution you when it comes to trying to make money off of YouTube, and here's why, guys. I told you before, okay, I made vlog channels, gaming channels, news channels, drama channels, anime channels, a whole bunch of different channels. And the reason I did that was because I was trying to figure out what I was into. It wasn't about the money. It was more about, because I've been doing YouTube since I was like 12 years old, to be honest with you, but it wasn't about the money, but more about what do I enjoy making content on. And then finance is like one of my #1 things, because again, I love reading books, I love sharing things, and I also love giving information out there for free and also getting some money from it, to be honest, right? So the goal is for YouTube, I've been doing it for the past like almost 10 years. I just made money 2 years ago. So, well, 1 year ago. So 9 years, no money, 1 year, some money. So if all you want is to make money and just go like, okay, I'm gonna do finance videos, the answer is don't do it like that. I don't recommend it, right? Because at the end of the day, it is going to take time to actually make it happen. So I recommend you do something you actually enjoy. And that way, every time you post a video, you enjoy it, you like it, and you also are happy to share that content, and you build your audience, your community, and the money will come either way through, for example, Google AdSense or affiliate marketing or merchandising, or for example, any other factor out there. At the end of the day, it all averages out, but the only thing that matters here is who makes the best content. And guys, as always, if you guys enjoyed this video right here, like this video, but please do not break the video like button, because again, people have been complaining about it and YouTube sent me a strike just because of this. I'm just kidding, okay? But the whole point is, guys, just like the video, but gently, please, just please, okay? I want to stop the violence here on YouTube. It's just not fair anymore, okay? And on top of that, also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, just DM me on Tanya Bryson. And before I go, if you want to watch that video, for example, and how much money I make by having 100,000 subscribers, watch this video right here, and also click my face right here to also start to turn around. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, guys, peace.